me and our friends are on the paddleboard, and I'm gonna stand up, and then I'm gonna tip over. Here we go. Yeah! Woo!
All right, we are getting ready to head out. All the kids are home. Turin actually earned $50 this morning. I went over to our friend's house, the Hennemans, and him and a couple of the kids were shoveling 3,000 pounds of gravel. They worked for about, he says about 5 hours, and he got 50 bucks. Guys, that's a lot of money for a 12-year-old. He's very entrepreneurial minded right now, asking me to help him come up with business ideas, things like that, things that he could do around the neighborhood. We created a Google form the other day, sent it out to the neighborhood Facebook page, and on it were a couple of jobs Turin is willing to do. So he's got the entrepreneurial bug. So does Ashton. He's going around with his friends offering some services at different homes. It's kind of cool to see these kids earn their keep, if you will, at a young age. And just trying to find some summer jobs and earning some money for maybe some things that they want to buy. So it's been really fun to watch that. So I am done with work today, heading off a little bit early. As you guys know, we're heading to Last Chance Lake. We're packing light. We're gonna be there one night with the Hennemans. It's gonna be a ton of fun. And so we're packing light. Got a couple bags, got our drone, things like that. It should be a blast. Ooh, the entrepreneur himself is here. So, tell us, how was it?
Good.
Are you gonna frame that? That's the first dollar you made as a businessman. Technically, you've made many more dollars than that before. I just offered to pay him $3 to go scoop the litter in the basement.
I don't want to do it.
I don't want to do it either.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, you're doing it.
All right, we are back in the van. As you can see, headed out to Last Chance Lake. We picked up the van this morning. It looks good as new. They did such an amazing job. I'm so glad to have the van back. We've been sharing a car for the last couple days, and it's a little trickier than you think it's gonna be, even with Justin working from home. Justin has been working from home ever since March, and the whole COVID thing happened, and it's been so fun that he gets to work from home now, but it still wasn't super fun to share a car. So anyway, we are headed out to Last Chance Lake, just like Justin had said before. And if you haven't seen our video of when we first came out here, we ended up meeting this family through our other friends, the Hennemans. They kind of introduced us to this family, and we became instant friends. We just loved them. So we were so excited when they invited us to come out and spend the weekend at their lake house. The Hennemans are coming too, so our three families get to hang out. It's going to be so much fun. I always talk about how I grew up in a place with a ton of lakes. Now, having said that, I didn't really grow up on the lake. I went a few times with friends. As a teenager, I went a few times with friends in college, but it wasn't something I grew up really experiencing. So I've been learning to do a lot of the things on the lake as an adult. So I just barely am learning how to surf. Before that, on our last boat, I was learning how to wakeboard. One thing I've never tried before is water skiing or slalom skiing. So the family that we're going to stay with has a water skiing boat. So it seems like the perfect time to try water skiing. So you're going to see this 34, almost 35-year-old learn how to water ski this weekend because my birthday is next week. Have I mentioned that it's my birthday next week?
No. Going into the birthday month, people, the birthday year, the birthday week.
I tried to start my birthday month at the beginning of the month when my mom took me out to dinner, and Justin just hasn't caught on yet.
The birthday decade. We're hitting the birthday decade.
We also will probably try to get our kids up on water skis, but there's a lot of different things there. They've got dirt bikes, they have paintball, they have a
wakeboard cable park.
A wakeboard cable park. So I don't know how much time we're actually going to spend on the boat because there's so many fun things to do outside of that. We are just a tiny bit excited.
Here we go!
All right, guys, we just arrived at Last Chance Lake. The Hennemans are here. This place is more breathtaking the second time than it was the first time because the sun's out, it's shining. Come take a look at this place.
Me and our friends are on the paddleboard, and I'm gonna stand up, and then I'm gonna tip over. Here we go.
Telling you what. Don't. Do not tip me over.
Will we still gonna be able to get back up if we do?
No.
Yes, we will. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let's go to the end. No! Let's go to the end. Oh, he's standing up. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, no! Yeah! Woo! World!
So long, partner.
Come back!
Amanda! Come back!
I'm a one-handed driver. Ow!
Okay?
I just hit myself with the paddle. Oh, right in the face. All right, let's see if you can get back on. This is when you're gonna tip us over.
Sideways.
I got, no! No! I'm gonna help you back on. Ready? Give me your hand. Is it cold?
Yes, it is.
Okay, ready? Good job, good job. You're up. Oh, you're up.
You tipped me over.
I did not, you stood up.
And then I fell off.
All right, let's go back to our dock. You're gonna tip us over. Sit down.
Oh gosh.
Let it go! I will dump you off. I'll sacrifice you every time.
You guys, this is just like straight heaven. The boys are all jumping into the water from the rooftop, having so much fun. You having fun, Ava?
You guys, we just took our first run out on the boat, and oh my gosh, I am blown away. I've never skied a slalom ski course before. It is absolutely addicting. I mean, it's changed my whole perspective on skiing. I don't know how I'm ever gonna ski again in like a regular lake without having something to look forward to. Skiing through those balls, making those turns. I mean, seriously, it's just so fun, it's so addicting. I had great coaches, they showed me how to do it. They themselves are amazing. They are, I tell you what, these two know how to ski. Seriously, getting out on this lake, it's always calm, it's always glass. I mean, it absolutely changed my perspective on skiing. So, anyway guys, we're now back at the house. Chris has made some amazing Traeger, both tri-tip and chicken. We've got an amazing spread of food here.
Lando!
Lando's gonna go just straight with Bentley.
Hit it!
There he goes.
All right, here comes Lando. All right. Round two, here we go. Wah, wah, wah. What do we have here? Woohoo!
Jumping on the trampoline.
Ava, is this heaven? Okay, show me what you do.
All right, so Trevor has just informed me he has a 250 dirt bike. He's gonna ride over on the dirt bike tracks over here. Maybe you may have seen the video of me dirt biking for the first time. So we'll see if we can actually hit some jumps now. Lindsay's over here playing with the kids on the trampoline. Absolutely in paradise right now.
Look at the Landon cheering. Here comes Dad. So little secret path back here for dirt biking. You can't even see it from the lake and it's so cool. My favorite part though is Lando's over here on the sidelines just cheering his little heart out. Everybody's over here and Lando's just over here on the sidelines making sure everybody can hear him. Who's coming next? Who's coming next? Cater? Go Turbo! You're making all his dreams come true right now. He has been begging to go dirt biking.
He was doing awesome. He got it.
You are the best. Oh my gosh. What do you tell him? Land?
Thanks.
That's so nice.
Yeah, Landon and Bentley.
We got Bentley the pro. He's so good. Ashley's gonna go with Amanda. Go Ashley! Ashley, start singing the song to her. Amanda, she's our girl. How was that ride?
Good.
Is Amanda a good driver?
Once we got going, huh?
Kind of funny.
We went on the big dip. He goes, these bugs are coming.
Look at that smile. Was that the best or what? Right, Ashley has been a little bit nervous to get on a dirt bike and I'm so proud of him. He just got on one. He's never ridden one before and he's doing so awesome. Go Ashley! Woo!
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Landon, look up.
Landon!
Look up. Oh! Good job. Good job.
Party in the hot tub! Look at you guys.
Our feet are stinging.
My hands are numb.
The cable park at night in the freezing cold. They said that you guys purposely fell
We got a brain freeze out how cold the air was.
and the water felt warmer than the air.
Yeah. Then we got in the hot tub, it stung, but now it feels nice.
Oh, my goodness, you guys are crazy. I just chilled in the hot tub because I'm not as brave as you guys. Troublemaker over here. I love it.
I was confused on what I should do. I was like, where should I go?